as the video starts, there is a lot of shaking noise because we do have a bed, and hope you enjoy the first episode of the first
family, and I think I know how to fly, even though
begin. Ugh.
Wake up!
What is it?
I think I can fly.
You can't. Penguins can't fly. Okay, do the corkscrew. Told you you can't fly. Well, he's going to be going down there. And get yourself back up. You have the ladder.
Hey, but I don't really like to use the ladder. I like to use the other way.
Okay, you used the ladder. Good job, son. Now get out here. Okay. Okay, Ma. Okay, honey pot. Okay, honey bacon. Why you say bacon? Why you say bacon? Where's the bird family?
Breakfast time!
Oh, it's breakfast time. Let's go. What are we having for today? What are we having for today?
Let's see on the calendar.
It's donut day, actually.
Oh, yeah.
It's donut day. Ace we had yesterday. It's donut day. Donut day, my favorite. Ooh, donut day. Yum, 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 yum.
Dive into the donut!
The donut was eaten.
Oh.
Well, too much for that donut. Hey, son, how about you go practice us flying?
Huh?
Go practice flying.
Okay.
No, wait, don't fly, don't fly! You can't fly! Penguins cannot fly. I just forgot that.
Just in case if they can.
School time! Get out of here! Wait, no.
No.
Oh yeah, it's a weekend. It's Saturday. Oh god. Okay, well pretend we're in school. Good job. Oh my gosh. Okay. Son, get over here.
Could you teach me how to fly?
Yes. Okay. Son, do the corkscrew. Yes,
You mean loop-de-loop?
Loop-de-loop. Woo, woo, woo. Now do the loop-de-loop, son. Okay, good job. Now do the corkscrew.
Okay.
No, you don't know the corkscrew. Woo, 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 woo. That's a corkscrew.
I'm fast.
Good job.
Watch me.
Now do the Beano Bata Pizza, Buju Pizza, Buju Pizza, Bata Pizza, Bata Pizza. Buju, 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 Butter, 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 P1. Okay? Do it, son. Oh god, this one's a... You do a corkscrew while you're doing a loop-de-loop.
What?
Okay. Okay, now fly back and straight. Because those are the main free things you need. Okay. The world's first penguin that can fly. My mom's a geese. Or a duck.
Watch this, Mama.
Yeah. Whoa, good job.
Now, I'm going to do a corkscrew. Now, the blowy, sheeny, blowy thingy.
It's called the Buona Beta Bata Beta Bota Beta But P.
Oh.
But you don't need to see it. Good job, son. How about a hug? Oh, God. Making out again.
I have a calendar that says, "What the first penguins I know that can fly."
Yep, you are the first. You are the world's first penguin. World record.
Actually, I'm not the world record.
P.S. You know penguins can't fly, but we're just making it in this series, right?
Yes.
Okay, now back to the show.
But actually, I'm not the champion. Look,
Well, you're the world's first penguin that can fly.
But the king bird is. King bird's way in.
Well, yeah, but you could...
State donut. State donut.
He's in Texas. We're not gonna go visit him. We're in Indiana. I love our place, but now it's been cold. We need to warm up. Ugh. Yes, Dad. Sweetie pie, sweetie, honey butt. Yeah. Why do we have a son that's so giant? I don't know. Maybe it's because she's so fat. Hey, watch it, kid. You're gonna make a baby. I'm a boy. So is he. Where are you the other boy?
Let me see. Look at my eyebrows. Look in the mirror. Am I a boy or am I a girl?
A girl.
No, I'm a boy. I don't have eyelash.
We just have one
girl.
Yeah, I feel so bad.
Just kidding. I'm a girl.
Oh, you are? Okay, sweet. Now you got 2 times 2 equals... What's 2 times 2, son?
2.
Nope.
4.
Correct. You just add...
But that's 2 plus 2.
I know. Sometimes times can be the same. What's 5 times 7?
I think I know that.
You add 5 7 times.
Stop it! 35.
Good job! What's 10 times 10?
100.
Good job. What's 9 times 10?
90.
Good job. What's 80 times 10?
200.
Oh my god! You get 80. Okay, what's 7 times 10? You add 7 10 times.
I don't know. This is a hard question.
It's 70. What's 6 times 10? Okay, after 2 hours of doing math problems, okay, what's 1 divided by 1?
1.
Good job.
Divided means the same
Well,
thing
it's dinner time, everyone.
We didn't have lunch time.
Well, yeah, we did.
Yeah.
And you want to have it again?
No, I don't think. Fred,
No, he's not.
My best.
We'll eat this bat then. We ate this bat. Everyone eat the bat. Dig it. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I just can't wait till until next episode comes around. Oh, honey bunches. Oh, I love you. Let's get the big hug. This will always be the finishing of the series. P.S. This will always be the finishing of an episode. All giving a big
Group hug.
They're all giving a big hug. The end. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, favorite, and subscribe. Bye.
Like me.
Bye. Comment too. Bye.